In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Patreon. If you want to share artwork, photography, behind-the-scenes content, or any other visual post with your audience, Patreon makes the process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly how to create an image post, organize it properly, and make sure it's ready to publish for the right audience. To begin, open Patreon using either the desktop website or the mobile app. If you're on desktop, click Create. If you're using the app, tap the plus icon. From there, choose either Post or Image, depending on the option you see. This opens the Creator tool where you'll start building your image post. Next, add the image files you want to upload. On desktop, you can drag and drop your files directly into the upload area, which is often the fastest option if you already have everything prepared in a folder. You can also click Browse to select images from your device manually. If your image is hosted online, Patreon also gives you the option to embed it from a URL. Choose whichever method works best for your workflow and wait for the files to finish loading before moving on. Once your images are uploaded, take a moment to organize and edit them. You can drag the images into the order you want your audience to see them. This is especially helpful if you're telling a visual story, showing progress shots, or uploading a gallery that needs a specific sequence. You should also add captions if needed and include alternative text. Alt text is important for accessibility because it helps people using screen readers understand what's in each image. After that, fill in the post details. Patreon requires a title, so make sure you add one that clearly describes the content. You can also include a description to give more context, explain the images, or add any extra notes for your patrons. If tags are available, use them to help keep your content organized. Then choose who can view the post. You can make it public or limit access to specific membership tiers, depending on how you want to share the content. Finally, decide whether to publish the post right away or schedule it for later. If you're ready, click Publish Now. If you want it to go live at a specific time, turn on the Publish Date option and set your preferred date and time. Scheduling can be especially useful if you're planning content in advance or trying to maintain a consistent posting routine. And that's how to upload images to Patreon. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes quick and easy, and it's a great way to keep your audience engaged with visual content.